What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic. Thank you for tuning in to another awesome sneaker cleaning tutorial for you guys today. What? The bag's blocking my... Hello guys, come on, tell me earlier. What do you guys got for me? Oh man, can I peek? What? Oh, this is Nike though. Oh, we are going to do this is a very small shoe. Is this guy's feet like tiny or what? US size 6. Man, this guy has really small feet. What's that? Oh, it was a girl that dropped it off. Oh, okay. Huh. Even better. So what we're gonna do today is I guess we're gonna clean this pair of Nike Air Force Lows LXX Glacier Blues. Wow. Okay, I've never seen this particular shoe before. This is actually kind of cool. I actually like the fact that they flip the tags. Oh, that is so cool. The size tag is outside of the shoe. What did she say? So our customer said that the main concern is the inside of the shoe because it stinks, it smells. Obviously, we're gonna clean the outside of the shoe. Can I, hold on. Hot diggity dang, this shoe does not stink. It actually, what? Oh, right. The right side, we were already cleaning the right side. Of course it doesn't stink because we're already cleaning the shoe. The left side, this side, ugh. And no, I'm not gonna smell the inside of the shoe. We're just gonna assume that it doesn't stink like guys' shoes. So this is actually the left and right comparison for you guys. If you guys are a little confused, we're gonna show you exactly how to get this nasty left foot looking like the nice, fresh right foot. Oh my God. Oh, what am I doing? This side is the clean side. What? Ew, it's got some orange stains. Hello. All right, let's put this like this so you guys can quickly take a look. The bottom, working in progress. The top, we have not even done anything to it. Oh my God. Can you guys see the nastiness? Check out the front. It's just dirty. Okay, just separate. Oh my God, you're getting this side dirty again. We didn't spend money to use a stupid shoe tree. We actually just stuffed a clean cloth inside the toe box area to give it some shape.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
If you guys were able to stick through the entire tutorial, I really appreciate it. If you were just skipping through the thing, or if you didn't even watch the whole thing and you're just jumping to the outro, I still appreciate it. We're gonna wrap this video up. Oh my god, I still got a lot of work to do. I'm talking about a lot of work. This is not even close to done. Just to clean up everything, take sexy photos, spray some water repellent and deodorizer. Hold on a second. I want to see if it still stinks. Why did I just do that? But the most important thing is I hope you guys learned something useful now. We are, what? I think this video is quite long enough. We don't need to show YouTube how I clean the laces. By the way, I just dunked the laces into a clean bowl of water and of course the Rejuvenator solution. If you don't have Rejuvenator, or if you're not even using a sneaker cleaner because you're cheap, you can go ahead and use mild detergent soap like Dawn, for example. That works too. Leave it in there for 10 to 15 minutes. When you take it out, make sure you dry it like so. And if you still see stains, you can go ahead and use the cloth, kind of like this, you know, scrub, or use the brush method. Soft or medium works well. Just be careful, you know, when you're going through the entire lace. Sometimes the laces, they do fray if you do too hard, but that's it. Let it air dry. You want to make sure that you hang it dry straight and then lace it back up. Oh my goodness, this shoe is going to look great when it's done. My customer is going to be happy, and I know the first thing she's going to do is stick her nose into her shoes and take a sniff and probably be like, hey, how come it still smells the same? And I'll tell her, maybe it's not the shoes, maybe it's the person wearing the shoes, something with the odor of the okay, inappropriate. Okay, let's end this video with me cleaning the laces. Oh yeah. Where's my solution? I don't know. I think I cleaned it up yesterday. What's going on? I'm just gonna pretend to clean the laces. I'm not gonna waste energy just to clean the laces by itself in a laundry machine. We might as well combine it with all of y'all's laundry with my laundry. Yes, underwears too. This white stain is not a white stain. It is a stain from Rejuvenator from this morning. Yeah, I don't know how it got there.